Did you know that most buyers decide whether they like a home within the first 10 seconds of walking in? Yep, it happens that fast. Hi, my name is Mattamy. I'm a home staging expert here in Toronto. In this video, I'm going to share why staging isn't a nice to have, but it's a must have if you want to stand out in today's market. Let's talk about the Toronto market for a second. We are at the end of 2024. Sellers are facing longer listing times, fewer offers, and more competition than ever before. Buyers are being cautious and taking their time, which means your home really needs to stand out to catch their attention. It's no longer about just putting your property in the market, it's about making it irresistible. But here's the thing, buyers make decisions really quickly. Most of them decide how they feel about a home within the first 10 seconds of walking in. So if your home doesn't grab their attention right away, they're already thinking about the next listing. This is where home staging comes in. It creates that instant wow factor that makes buyers fall in love with your property. And here's another big reason staging is so important: amazing photos. Let's be real, most buyers start their home search online these days. Staged homes always photograph better, and those stunning photos are what grab their attention and get buyers to click on your listing. So if your home doesn't look its best in pictures, it might not even make it onto their must-see list. Staging makes sure your property has those eye-catching, scroll-stopping images that actually get buyers to your door. Let's start with the first big benefit: staged homes sell faster. We have seen this time and time again. Staged homes sell faster. Do you think buyers would fall in love with this room or this room? In fact, according to research, staged homes can sell up to 90% faster than unstaged homes. Why? Because it helps buyers see the full potential of the space. Think about it, an empty room can feel cold and uninviting, while a staged home feels warm, inviting, and it emotionally connects with the buyers. Buyers don't want to imagine, they want to see the possibilities. You don't want buyers to wonder if their sofa or bed can fit in those rooms. You want them to see it. Benefit number 2 is higher selling prices. Not only do staged homes sell faster, but they also sell for more money. A well-staged home can increase offers by 5 to 20% above asking price. In Toronto's market, that could mean tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars extra in your pocket. And who doesn't want that? Now, Toronto comes with its own unique challenges. For example, many homes and condos have limited space, making it crucial to showcase functionality. And instances like this, we have used effective styling to highlight how even small spaces can be used effectively. And my next tip is to consider Toronto's diverse buyer pool. It ranges from young professionals, families, downsizers, to international investors. All these target buyers have different needs and at various stages of life. So when staging, we tailor the look and feel of a home to appeal to your target buyers. Benefit number 3 is creating emotional connection with your buyers. Home staging isn't just about making property looks pretty. It's a visual marketing tool that's used to create emotional connection with anyone who's walking in. Buyers need to picture themselves living in the space, and that's hard to do if a home is cluttered or empty. Staging helps them see their future right here in your home. We do this by incorporating lifestyle elements that resonate with your target audience. For example, we might set up a cozy reading nook to appeal to book lovers, or a chic home office for busy professionals. For families, we might highlight a play area or welcoming dining space, perfect for gatherings. Now, if you're wondering just how much of a difference staging can make, I've got the perfect example for you. Check out our recent project here. A $3 million home right here in Toronto. You'll see the incredible before and after transformation that helped this property stand out and attract serious buyers.